Hey you guys, welcome back to your channel. Today is move-in day. Just so you know, it is Saturday, so happy Saturday to you. I know I'm probably looking ratch. That's okay. The first thing that I'm going to tackle, and it's going to be a temporary fix, just so I can have a place to just kind of take my breaks during the move or whatever. Okay, wait a minute now. It's going to be the patio area. This is just temporary, so the in-between now and probably the end of summer, when the stuff is really on sale and I run across whatever it is I see I like, I will definitely be redoing it. But for right now, this is a temporary fix. So let me show you what it looks like, plain and simple, and then I'm going to show you the after using pieces from the house. You ready? Okay. Okay, so here is how it looks right now. Just nice and plain. And this is just going to be a temporary fix, just until I can get the inside right. Then I can focus more really on the outside. So stay tuned for the reveal in 1 second. And here is the temporary after. So let me come close. Do you remember those lanterns with the LED lights in them? I had those temporaries on the front porch. Back here I just added that greenery, a little deer, and that's actually a mirrored stand, metal stand that I had downstairs. Little table, coaster, those corables, I didn't know where else to put them, so I just thought they'd be cute out here. And some color, a little color. Another little coaster, same get up on this side. And then back here, pretty much the same thing, except this table is square. And we have a little frog and a little reindeer, some more greenery. And I'm probably going to go run and get some pillows at some point. Some little cheap pillows to go in those seats to bring in just a little bit more color. But that's how my little temporary outside oasis looks for now. And I have to go back and finish moving. So I hope this video will suffice until we can get to some on sale stuff. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Hugs and kisses. Everyone stay blessed, stay positive, stay prayed up. Don't let nobody dictate y'all mood. Do something good for yourself, and always do something good for somebody else. Oh, and I'm probably going to find like a little rug or something, outdoor rug to put right there as well. But I'll give you the update when it comes. Okay, back to the inside.